tell you how you can increase tolerance on your missions, thus increasing your reliability. Take this mission as an example. Let's say we want to bring this loop back to base. The obvious choice to complete this mission is having some sort of axle to pick it up and then bring it back to base. However, we want to increase this tolerance because this is pretty precise for the robot. The first step is to first calculate the success area. In this case, the success area is the area where we can insert our axle into the loop, which is a 4x4 area. So the first step we can do to increase our tolerance is have more axles. And obviously, what this allows us to do is if the original axle is not inside the loop, the side ones will be able to catch it. So one important thing in having this able to work is that the distance between the axles is greater than the distance of the width of the loop. The reason being, let's say if we have an axle in here, now in this case our distance is smaller than the success area. This forces us to insert 2 axles into the loop. However, obviously this will decrease our success area because we need to insert both of them into it. So this is very important that we need to have our distance between the axles greater than the width of the loop. So this increases our success area from 4x4 to 13x4. Another option is to scrap the idea of inserting a stick into the loop. Instead, we could just use some sort of box to catch the ring and pull it back to base. This increases our success area dramatically because now our success area has become the box dimensions, which we can alter and make it bigger if needed. For another example of increasing tolerance, take this mission. Let's say we have to push the button over here to score points. So let's say this attachment is what you're going to be used to push it. Now the first step is realizing that our success area is very limited. It's just 3x3, which is the area of the button, because the area of the pusher is smaller than the button. Now obviously 3x3 is very, very precise for the robot, so we want to find a way to improve it. So obviously we want a bigger pusher. Now this might seem intuitive, but this is a general thought process in increasing tolerance. Figure out the success rate currently and figure out how we can improve it. Now our success rate is 11x5, the area of the pusher, because it's greater than the area of the button. So just in case we're a little off, we're still able to push it. So we can apply this technique to any mission to increase its tolerance.
That's all for the video. Thanks for watching.